Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save Reels on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, then click on the little TV symbol on the top left, which will bring you to Reels. Then obviously you can pick whichever one you like, and then click on the bottom right hand side where the three dots are. And this will give you the option in the middle to save the video. So obviously just tap on that. And if you want to view the save video, just click on your profile icon on the top right, and you should see saved videos there. So you can just click on that, and then you'll see that saved video on there. You can also click back on the video, click on the three dots on the bottom right, and it will give you the option to unsave the video if you wish to do so. So that's how you can save Reels on Facebook. Thanks for watching.